Good afternoon, everybody. That'll be one of our Bronco combinations here. Special oil paint on here to fit the Broncos. This one's been custom painted. Like I said, we can custom paint all engines. Beautiful Ford gray. It's got the March pulley system on here. Got the Ford racing valve covers. We got the Fitech EFI system on here, and this one happens to be the silver one. Motor come out gorgeous. Black cap MSD, black wires. Motor runs fantastic. Everything is custom built in-house to order. Anything we can help you with, give us a call. We like to think and hope that we're one of the best out there. Thank you. We got your 1975 Ford Bronco engine here, which happens to be a 347 EFI custom painted. This beautiful, beautiful gray with dual sump pan. Okay, fire it. RPM comes right up, and then it'll make its way down. There we go. Oh yeah, how's that?